Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a stamp from Vanya for the underwater expedition prep. So we're just going to talk to Vanya here, select the expedition volunteer one, and then I can already tell there'll be plenty of fish there. But honestly, I'm more into the fishing itself. It's kind of a thing for me, you know? Did you go fishing today? Leave it to me. Okay, for Vanya's, I think it is one of the more tedious ones. So I'm just going to fish to the closest area. And I'll be right back once I'm done fishing. Okay, so now I'm done fishing. I'm just going to go back to Vanya here and I'll press this button again. Cool, glad to see you haven't let it slide. I'd be happy to help out. And we finally got a stamp from Vanya. Super cute. I love this one as well. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.